Hello and welcome. Today we have a question about NotebookLM, and it is, how can I get a quiz with 100 questions in NotebookLM? Okay, the short answer is I don't think that you can. The most that I've been able to get in NotebookLM is 30. Let me go through the motions just to show you or show someone else if they haven't really seen this before. This is just go to notebooklm.google.com and then you'll have to log in. You can use a free account or a paid account if you have one of the Google AI plans. You'll get to this page and then you have to have a notebook created. So if you have one, you can go into it. If you don't, you have to create a new notebook. And once you have a notebook, you add sources, and you have to have at least one source added and checked, which is just selected to be used for stuff. And once you have something checked, then these artifacts on the right become available to you. So one of them is a quiz here, and if you click on the little arrow, you get your customize window. And to get more questions, you come here under the number of questions and you go to more. And you can type in, description of whatever you're looking for. And you can put in here, I would like 100 questions. Anything that I've done over 30, it will just top out at 30. They change these tools all the time. So maybe they're going to increase it. Maybe by the time you listen to this, they've actually increased it. But the most I've ever been able to get out of NotebookLM is 30. So to answer your question, I guess you could do 4 quizzes, 30 questions each, and you get 120. But that's probably not what you're looking for. But I don't think you can do. I don't think it supports a 100 question quiz. Your other option, it's not exactly NotebookLM. You can go to Gemini, and this is gemini.google.com. And once you're in here, you can click on the plus and click on NotebookLM, and then you can select your notebook from here. And I don't know which one I was in, so let's do test. And you can go in here, and then you can generate a quiz from here. And you can just say, create a quiz on whatever you want. And I will show you a quiz that I already have in here from a different video. Once you get through the quiz, I'll go to the end, then I'll go backwards. In Gemini, you can do quizzes up to 50 questions. So you can initially put in the prompt and say, like, attach your NotebookLM notebook, and then say, give me a 50 question quiz on whatever you want. Or you can just ask it for a quiz, and it'll usually do 10 questions. And then once you get to the end, you get this kind of, summary screen, and you can go to more questions, and it'll give you this little more questions box here. And you can select focus or difficulty, but we're talking about questions. So under number of questions, if you click on custom, you can pick a number, and it even says in here, enter a number up to 50. So Gemini can do up to 50. So, that'll get you down to 2 quizzes. And then now you have 50, and then 50. Now you have 100 that way. That's the closest that I know of that you can get with Google products, at least. But yeah, just to go to the original question, I don't know that you can do a 100 question quiz in NotebookLM. Maybe with an Ultra account. I don't have an Ultra account to test with that. From what I've seen from other people reporting on this, 30 seems to be the max number that a lot of people have said with NotebookLM, and that's been my experience. So I think if you must have 100 questions with a NotebookLM, you'll have to make 4 quizzes. Again, alternatively, you can go to Gemini. Gemini will support quizzes up to 50 questions, so you can get 2 quizzes in there. That's probably the closest you're going to get today. Tools are changing all the time, so in a couple weeks, couple months, they might change those numbers. But for right now, that's the best you're going to get. Hope that answers your question, and we will see you next time.